Hi everybody, welcome back. This is lesson 3 of our maths home learning for this week. Today we're going to have a think about ordering numbers. So here I've got 4 different numbers made from the base 10. Pause the video while you have a think what each of these numbers is. Okay, so this first number is 2,163. The second number here is 3,214. This third number here is 2,325, and this number here is 3,438. So now I've made those 4 numbers and worked out what they are, I'm going to try and order them from the smallest to the largest in ascending order. So I need to begin by looking at the thousands. Well, this number here has 2 thousands, this number has 3 thousands, this number has 2 thousands as well, and this number has 3 thousands. So the 2 numbers that have the smallest amount of thousands are this one and this one because they both have 2,000. So I've got 2,163 to choose from, and I've got 2,325 to choose from. So because they've both got the same number of thousands, I'll need to have a look at the hundreds. Well, this one has 2,100, and this one has 2,300. This has less hundreds, so I'm going to put this one first. 2,163 is the first number in my order. 2,325 will be the next one in my ascending order list. And then I need to decide between these 2 numbers. Again, they both have the same number of thousands, so I'm going to need to look at the hundreds. This one has 2 hundreds and this one has 4 hundreds. That means that 3,214 is smaller and the largest is 3,438. So I'm going to play a game now to practice this skill. Have a look at these 5 numbers. Which is the smallest? Well, it's this one, 1,166. So that's the first leaf on the tree. Have a look at the next ones. I'm looking at the thousands, 6,000s, 3,000s, 2,000s and 8,000s. Well, the next smallest number of thousands is this one with 2,000. 2,518 must be next. Looking at the thousands again, 6,000, 3,000, 8,000. This one has 3,000s, 3,091 must be next. And then I'm choosing between 6,000 and 8,000. Well, 6,000s are smaller than 8,000s, so 6,118 is next. And the largest number here is 8,363. Let's check if I was right. The caterpillar eats through all the leaves and turns into a beautiful butterfly, meaning I was correct. Now it's your turn to have a go. Pause the video while you order these numbers and then watch to check your answers. 766 was first. 2,352. Oh no, I've just noticed there's one with less thousands. 1,727 was next, and then it will be 2,352. And both these had 4,000s, so I need to go to my hundreds. This one has less hundreds. 4,503 was the largest. Check your answers. I hope you were right. If you want to have a go at this game, go on to Top Marks Maths again and I'll show you where to find it. choose the maths games again, and 7 to 11. Now this one is in the ordering and sequencing numbers section. Go right down to near the bottom. It's a game called Counting Caterpillar. Choose that game. Now you do have to play around with the scale a little bit to make it go into 4-digit numbers. So if you put both of the scales up to the thousands and make this smallest one to 0, as long as it says 0 to 9,000 here, you'll get most 4-digit numbers. If you do want to play with smaller numbers, you can change this scale and then press go when you are ready. Have fun playing the game. There's lots more games on Top Marks if you want to practice your place value skills this week. I hope you've all worked hard. See you next week.